did a fine job. Let's back up a little bit and go back to do the box opening now that we know what it'll actually do. The good folks over at Scavool gifted me this battery operated electric chainsaw. I'm going to get it opened up and show you what you get. First of all, it's a nice hard case. Keep everything organized. Have our it is a brushless motor, by the way. Brushless Mini Chainsaw model LF2008. Your user manual comes with a little pair of cotton gloves with some little grippers on it. Safety glasses, charger, 2 4-amp-hour 20-volt batteries. Extra chain oil bottle. Now you can use regular chainsaw oil, or in a pinch, you can use like vegetable oil. You really need chainsaw oil, but sometimes you gotta go with what you got, right? But if you're gonna use it a whole lot, I would suggest using chainsaw oil. Now it does come with a 6-inch bar and chain, as well as a 8-inch bar and chain. So for the bigger jobs, switch it over to the 8-inch. And it comes with a little cleaning brush that you can wipe it down with. Anyway, that's what we got here. Has a nice little handle right here, so when that chain gets loose, you can just turn that and tighten it up. That is a nice little feature. Right here is your oil fill cap. Just remove this and put your chainsaw oil in there, and you're good to go. Right here on the top is the LED screen. It tells you how much power you have in your chainsaw. Right now, we're at 100%. Has a safety switch right here. Little button, you just gotta push that over and you're good to go. Not much to it. Really simple little chainsaw. I don't think you're gonna go wrong with it for smaller jobs. Now, you're not gonna cut down a great big old tree with it. The reality is, these are not made for that. But for trimming trees and small brush, it'll get the job done, as you saw. If you need to change the bar out, just loosen this off. That'll come off. You slide this cover off. After you take this off, turn that, slide this cover off. It'll slide right up. It'll show you can see how it goes right there. And then you'll put your other blade on there. Get around here where you can see better. Slide that on there. Lift that up out of your way. Get your chain over here. Make sure it's in the bar properly, like that. Slide that down. Go around this gear right here with your chain. Slide that bar out and hold it with your thumb. Then you'll put this back on there and put your thumb screw back on there again. Nothing to it. It's how you switch out the bar. Really easy to do. Nothing complicated about it. Holding it with one hand is a little more difficult, but if you lay it down like this and do it, it's really pretty simple. Main thing is just make sure you get your chain inside that grooves of that bar. Slide it out, put your cover back on there. That's pretty much it. Make sure it snaps down in there good. There we go. And then just take this, put it back on there. Easy peasy. I would suggest taking the battery off before you do this though. Good to go. If you'd like to get one of these for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description where you can order one today. Also, if you got any value at all out of the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.